Welcome to a Serial to Ethernet Connector tutorial. In this video, we will walk you through the process of sharing a serial port and then connecting it over a local area network. So let's get straight to the point. Firstly, let's go to the Serial to Ethernet Connector website and download a software installer matching our operating system. In our example, this would be the installer for Windows. If your computer runs a Linux distribution or is an ARM-based machine, like Raspberry Pi, download the respective installer instead. Let's then install Serial to Ethernet Connector onto the server PC. Please read the license agreement carefully. Launch the application. To share a serial port over LAN, we will create a server connection. Among the basic settings, we will specify the connection name. Then select a serial port for sharing. To share a physical serial port available in your system, leave the Create as Virtual Port box unchecked. After that, we'll need to specify the TCP port on which the server will listen for an incoming client connection that we'll make in a bit. Finally, select the protocol. It can be either a raw TCP data transmission or a telnet with RFC 2217 extension, which allows exchanging the KOM port configuration info between the server and the client. At this point, we can also configure some advanced settings if we expand the corresponding menus. But for this tutorial, we will go on with the basic configuration and click Create. Let's open the serial port we shared in the terminal application and start sending some data so we could later test the connection. Now that we shared the COM port over LAN, we can move forward and create a client connection. Now to the client. The process is similar and straightforward. Download and install the app as you did on the server. So we will skip this part. Run Serial to Ethernet Connector. Select View Remote Connections. Since the client and the server computers are in the same local network, the Serial to Ethernet Connector will discover all remote connections automatically. Let's select the server connection we created earlier and press Connect. That will save you some effort by automatically filling in the host name and the port fields. We will just have to specify the client connection name. Select the serial port used in the connection and the protocol. By clicking Create, we will then establish a link between the serial ports on the server and client computers. After that, we will make sure the shared serial port is successfully sending and receiving data with the serial port terminal. Congratulations! You've successfully shared a serial port and connected it over a local area network. Thanks for watching our tutorial. See you soon in our future videos.